Alright, so live update. Okay, so almost 12k na tayo. I started from Nawag, Mangato, then we're now going to Paway. Then from Paway we'll go to Batak, then San Nicolas, then back at home sa Lawag. So far I'm feeling good. Just walking kasi umihi muna ako. And okay. Sige, buna ulit. Yeah. This is actually one of the perks when you're running in the province. Alright. Oh baby. This is Paway Lake. Hi. So balita dito, I think dito huling nakita si Loch Ness Monster. Joke lang yun. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Paway. So medyo malayo pa pala siya from Paway Lake. I was expecting a few meters away na. Update. So yan, 19.64 kilometers na tayo. I think if we're gonna go straight to Batak, magiging 21 or 22k. But we'll see. Pag hindi ko na kaya, mag-Egypt na lang ako pa uwi. But so far, magaan pa naman yung legs ko. Singgaan ng utak mo. Joke. Alright. Rest lang ng 5 minutes and then run to Batak. Alright.
After 9 kilometers, Nag Jeep Nalang Pawi, Di no Kinaya Ayan Giyanit.